Hello everyone, welcome to Cellopedia, this is Maxim. Have you been wondering what kind of pitch you have? Maybe you already tested yourself with piano or artificially generated sound? Well, it might not work perfectly well if you play string instruments. This is why I made this video for you to test yourself, trying to recognize sounds made by this wonderful 200 years old cello. By the way, no matter what kind of pitch you have, you are in luck because you can become very good musician. Each kind of pitch recognition has its advantages. The main advantage of the perfect pitch is the instant note recognition. You hear the note, you can play it right away. But relative pitch offers more flexibility. For instance, you will be less distracted if you have to play with piano, which is tuned higher or lower than you expect. Now let's start the test. The first part, relative pitch test. You will hear me playing open string, and then after you know which note it is, I will play for you another note, and you will have to figure out what it is. After 5 seconds, you will see the correct answer on the screen. The note number 1. The note number 2. The note number 3. The note number 4. And the note number 5. How many notes did you get right? Let me know in comments. But we are moving on, and now the harder part of the test will test your perfect pitch. I will play for you the note and give you 5 seconds to come up with an answer. Then you'll hear me play some glissandos to erase that pitch memory from your mind. And then you will hear another note, and so on. The note number 1. The note number 2. The note number 3. The note number 4. And the note number 5. How did you do? Don't forget to let me know in comments. And based on your comments, I might be able to make another video with exercises to improve the pitch recognition. Thank you for watching Cellopedia. See you soon.